Yeah, get him.
Oh my God!
Dave, no!
Welcome to the Farm Truck and Asian YouTube channel.
Where it is what it isn't.
Oh, Poker, sit down. Got a package for me.
Got that?
Just kidding.
Are you clipping your nails?
Yeah. Well, I got it broken down.
It's actually probably for Ed.
Huh?
Ed, you already got one of these? Okay. All right.
What is it?
Vyper? Yeah. Check it out.
I have one of those.
Yeah, you do. Yeah. So they sent us a couple of these, but this is a stubby. This is a nice box. I'm keeping the box, by the way. That's my box. I'm keeping the phone. Ooh. Whoa. It's like an Apple iPhone.
Packaging is everything.
It kind of is. It's an experience.
Hey, wait, I gotta
Robust.
I gotta put my fingernail
When's
clippers
the last
away.
time you ever used the word robust? Oh, this is so robust.
I don't think
That's on my Tinder profile. Robust Mexican.
Swipe right fast enough.
Oh, that was a good shot.
Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, son. Oh yes, son.
Another.
Oh yes, son. Here, Ed.
Take that.
Ed, take it over to the butcher table.
Take that.
Oh, Ed, butcher table.
Dude, these are nice casters.
They are actually really good casters.
I can always appreciate a good quality caster.
Is that all that came in there?
What?
No instructions?
Huh? Come on. Oh wait, no. Oh, here we go. Robust.
You done with this chicken? You gonna take it home?
Don't ask me. That's
put it-
offensive. Well, that'd be good.
All right. Look
Okay.
at that.
I always like to get really organized
Nope.
and put everything in groups, right?
Bolts, dude.
Yeah.
Dude,
This
that's
is
some hardcore
this
hardware.
is heavy duty stuff, man.
Hard hat, hard.
Hardware.
That's right. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't ever read the instructions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This goes here.
Don't.
This goes here, right? This here going to go probably like that, right?
Oh. Well,
I like to guess.
I'm gonna play hot and cold.
Oh,
Okay.
I know.
Wrong.
This
Wrong
there.
farm. This is all wrong.
Wait a sec.
Here we go. He's gonna get it. He got it. I didn't have to say nothing.
Okay. That's the fun about not using the instructions. It's fun to figure it out. All right. So I'm just going to go finger tight for now on
What?
this, because more than likely we'll have to take it apart. So what is this going to do? Yeah, this is getting funky.
Oh, they're lock nuts. That's what they called me in high school.
Let's just put one on there for now. I like it.
We'll just go in order.
Yeah, and we'll just rock around the clock.
This does not go around, does it? Oh yeah, it does.
Here, no, use it. There's one missing.
There is one missing. Can only go one way.
You know what? This is a shorty seat. It's more of a mechanic seat. All coming together now.
I'll come back, I'll come back. No, I mean he's dead.
Because you got a little tray here for your tools.
Okay.
Right? And you don't need to be up in the air doing a brake job. All right, Asian. Now, let's get that caster going right there.
I don't know how this goes here. Okay.
The engineering is awesome on this thing.
I think I got it. I think I'm actually getting it. I think I got lucky. See if Archie's impressed. Nah.
Nope.
No,
That's
okay,
the
sorry.
disappointment look.
Sorry, bro.
How much weight would this actually hold?
One Ed.
Okay.
I hope it holds more than that.
Who needs instructions? You know?
Oh, that's cheating. That's cheating. Luke, cut all that out. Cut all that out.
I'll film you later doing it by hand.
Okay.
Here, I'll crop them out.
Okay, crop out. Yeah, I'm doing it. Ah, that one's tight. That one's tight. This can all be done with just hand tools.
They are hand tools.
Whatever.
What are you talking about? Aren't they all hand tools?
No impacts needed. No swivel.
Come prepared, baby.
This is the only piece of furniture that hasn't come with an Allen key.
The Allen wrench. What do you have to do to get a wrench named after you? That Allen guy.
Dude, you got the market cornered.
I'm jealous.
Yeah. It's like naming a condom. That Trojan guy.
What a name.
And his big brother magnets.
Get out of here, Ed.
Ed, we're missing one of these.
Oh, what's that in your ear, little boy? Oh, oh my God, what the hell? Daddy Days.
No, I just watched a video. You're in a house somewhere.
Am I the one in Texas?
Yes.
Oh my God, that's so hilarious.
All right, is that done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you guys moving in down in Texas?
What's up, dude?
Yeah.
For America's List.
Yeah. It seems like it could get weird.
So they had a scene where me and Sean, because there wasn't enough rooms,
Okay.
so me and Sean had to bunk together.
Yeah.
So there's one scene where me and Sean were kind of laying around watching TV and stuff, and I had shorts on, but I'm sorry, wait, I had.
We were taking bets who was going to see it first.
Way up. And of course, I got this part hanging outside the blanket, and I'm covered up. And I put a pair of my underwear in my bag.
Okay.
And I went like this, and I put it on the nightstand. So I'm laying there covered up. This is hanging out like I'm naked. And, and Ryan and Lutz and someone else walk in, and Ryan's like, "Is that your underwear?" I'm like,
But
"Yeah,
they keep
I
looking.
sleep naked."
They don't stop looking.
No, they're just staring at my underwear.
No, they were not going to look
Are
away.
you recording?
Yes.
Perfect.
So you came right on time. We're about to finish this chair assembly.
You got some of these, right?
No.
No, these are badass, dude.
No, you need some of
bet
these.
they are.
You
No,
need to
you
get
would.
some.
You'd look good in one of these.
In that.
Yeah. Dave doesn't like that.
Cutting the
Dave doesn't
shit
like
out
it.
of
Dave
it.
doesn't like that.
Nice.
All right.
Just like that. All right, Ed.
Test it out, Dave.
Huh?
Test it out.
Yeah, get him.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Ed, no. Ed.
Dave's going after him. Dave's going after him.
Hey, this thing rolls pretty legit.
No, they're good.
Oh, dude.
good.
Like the wheels are bad.
Those are good.
Great.
Those are the best.
Come here, Asian.
No. No, no, I'm not gonna let you. Okay,
Run, Asian.
you get one chance. Dave. You get one chance. No, Dave, no. No, Dave, no. No, Dave, no.
All right, let's see if
Why are you here? Why are you here?
Let's run you into the
The out.
and
All right.
the Vyper stools are amazing.
Oh, Dave's doing it.
15 drive.
Send it to Dave's house.
Send me a few.
Yeah, we're wrapped up. Appreciate Vyper Chairs for sending these. Thanks to Ryan Martin for showing us first. And
Oh.
yeah, that.
I get it. Sit on that thing.
Yeah, dude.
You look good, that
Dang,
thing.
that's like a new leather shoe right there.
Easy. It's amazing.
Oh, you, Dave! Oh, you, Dave!